2 by 3 matrix multiplied by a 3 by 2 matrix ended up giving us a 2 by 2 matrix, which is this. So in matrix, we have what we call the scalar multiplication. This is a case where you have a scalar multiplying a matrix. It's straightforward. All you have to do is just multiply. So in this case, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. All you have to do is just put them in the same position as but in the case of two matrices, the rule says that the number of columns in the first matrix has to be the same as the number of rows in the second matrix. That is the only way you can multiply two matrices. So right now, you have to pick the first row and then multiply with the first column. So you say 2 times 4 plus 0 times 0 plus 1 times 1. And then when you're done with that, you move on. You do the same first row with the second column. So you say 2 times 8, 0 times 2, 1 times 5. Do the same thing for the second row. You use this one to multiply this second matrix. So minus 1 times 4 plus 4 times 0 plus 5 times 1. Use the same row to multiply the second column here. So minus 1 times 8, you continue like that, right? 2 times 4 is 8, right? 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. So 8 plus 0 plus 1. 8 plus 0 plus 1. For this one, you have minus 1 times 4 is minus 4 plus 4 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. We do the same for the second one, and we will get, and that gives you your answer. So 8 plus 0 plus 1 is 8. 16 plus 0 is 16 plus 5 is 21. Minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4 plus 5 is 1. And then minus 8 plus 8 is 0 plus 25 is 25. Here is the final answer. So that's a 2 by 3 matrix multiplied by a 3 by 2 matrix ended up giving us a 2 by 2 matrix, which is this. Let us know if this can be multiplied and then let us know your answer. Until next class, bye.